Hello guys, welcome to Tsinghua University Get Ready With Me vlog, Global Village 2024.
Global celebration where students from around the globe come together to share their unique cultural traditions through music, dance, cuisine, and art. Today, we are diving into this vibrant multi-point of cultures with a special spotlight on Mongolian heritage. One of the most fascinating exhibits at a festival is Mongolian Booth, a country known for its landscapes and rich nomadic history.
Wearing my traditional Mongolian costume. The name is this, and we can wear like this.
Our global community celebrates diverse backgrounds and foster environments where students share and learn from each other. Before stepping onto the stage, there is a buzz of excitement backstage. And it's my first time to using ear mic to sing and ready to perform popular Mongolian pop song.